welcome back to my channel. And for today's episode, we're at my workplace. So I'm going to show you how to do a quick super glam makeup by using all these new products. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with the hydrating oil to completely nourish and hydrate my skin before putting the makeup. And I'm so excited, guys. We finally got this Allyssa Edwards. So now let's start with the eye primer. Then prime it with a white base all over your eyelids. And moving on to these two dark shades at the outer corner of your crease, going inwards to your socket, and blend it and softening the edges by using this fluffy brush. By using a little bit of BBC shade to get the transition colors, and then use this primer again onto the temple of your eyelids to make your eyeshadow pop. Blend it first before you put the neon color, and just dab it very lightly using the flat brush. Opening the socket one more time with the same shades earlier, and then to the brow bone using this gold shimmer, and make sure that all the colors will blend in together, but don't overblend it. Using the shimmer shade to the brow bone to the inner corner of your eyes. That's pretty much sum up the eye makeup, guys. And moving on to the foundation, using the lighter shade, which is the 335 Warm, under my eyes. And using the shade 370 Warm, which is one tone darker, all over my face. And the 335 Warm again to lighten underneath my cheekbone. Now it's contour time, guys. So for today, I'm gonna use the contour stick in shade Mink from Anastasia, of course, and using the Anastasia blender, starting off down below my cheekbone and blend it downwards, and using the tip of the blender to my nose line. And voila! The final look, guys. I hope you subscribe and like for more videos and episode coming up. Thank you for watching.